Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Valorant error code ban 1067. If you're experiencing issues with the Valorant service not running on your computer, don't worry, we got you covered. In this video we'll walk you through the steps to get everything up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. So the first thing we have to do is to press the Windows key and the R key, and you have to write here services.msc. Once you are here in the windows that will open in a few seconds, you have to find the next thing, virtual disk. So we double click virtual disk and we have to change from manual to automatic. So we press accept, and the next step is to go to Windows updates, and we have to check that we have Windows updated. You press the button of look for updates and update the Windows service. And the last step, you have to press the Windows key and find MSInfo32. You press it and you have to take note of your system model to look into Google if you have TPM 2.0 turned on. If you're unsure how to do this, you might need to search for a specific tutorial to your system model on YouTube. So you have to go to YouTube and find the model of your system and look copy this model, write on YouTube how to enable TPM 2.0. So you follow that tutorial and you will be able to play without any problem Valorant. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.